Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to merge or combine multiple files in Microsoft Word. Let's see. Here is a one document, tutorial 11, and another document is computer. There is a computer definition and history and development of computers, and third document is classification of computer, generation of computer. And I want to merge two files in this document. How can we do that? Just go to the Insert tab and Object and Text from File. Just click here. It will ask you the file. Just desktop, I have a file, computer, and press Ctrl key to select a second file. I selected computer and computer 2 and insert the text. All the text of both of file will be inserted in this document. You can see here. Amazing. What is computer, history and development of computers, and classification of computers and generation of computers. All the text placed here in this document. You can do it very easily by insert, object and text from file. You can merge and combine multiple files in Microsoft Word very easily. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.